What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Into My GT Entertainment, and I am Joel. I hope y'all had a lovely Sunday. Mine, I had to work. But I did do some stuff on Electra when I got home. I just wanted to give you a little exhaust clip at the beginning of the video, but I'm going to have a full video with that a little later. But what I had to do is, if you've watched my other video, I put the AntiRoll Xtreme BMR sway bar kit on it. The way it's pronounced is BMR Xtreme sway bar Anti-Roll. But anyway, I put that on there, and when I got it back to the house, it was making a clunking noise. So I took off the I took off the end links that go from the sway bar to the rear end to it. I'll show you that in a second. I'll try to get on the car and show you what I'm talking about. Because you always think when you do tight is good. Tight wasn't good for that situation because it left no movement on it. So it would just lock it into place. So every time it would hit a bump, it would just clunk up and down because it was trying to move. So yeah, that was a little bit of a search and go. I had to do a little bit of discussions with friends and try to figure out what was going on with that. So, but I think we got that straight. I still have that freaking noise though, that like squeak noise. I have no idea. I give up. I have just freaking that's what I say. But anyway, like I said, I don't know if it's just something in the back with the stereo, something just isn't set right. I have no clue. So let me get under the car and show you the finished product. I was going to show you earlier, but I had to fix everything and it was kind of hard to videotape and fix. So let me show you that real quick and we'll be right back. Alright, there you go. This is kind of the way that you need to set this thing on the ground or on a 4-post lift, because the end links that are up here that connect to your drive shaft, to your rear end, it needs to be pretty much leveled. If not, it's going to throw off everything. But as you can see, it took out the sway bar, which is actually right there. It's going to go on Pam's car now. It shortened it up so there's nothing hanging off, and it looks really nice, you know, considering that it's on there, and it, of course, a BMR. So like I said, it doesn't make a lot of noise now, and it seems to do what it's supposed to. And I'll get into that in 1 second, so hold on. I just wanted to show y'all what that looked like under the car. On a side note, guess what? It's freaking raining again. But look, clear skies. Clear skies. Freaking cloud over our house all the time. If Pam wants me to move a car in, yeah, let's go wait. But anyway, I'll get back to this video. Hold on. So, back to the anti-roll kit. What it's supposed to do, it's supposed to stiffen the rear end even more than a sway bar would, than your typical sway bar. The sway bar itself torques. Let me see if I can put this somewhere real quick here. Hold it. Alright, so with the sway bar, it torques like this, and the more it torques, the more way it evens out. So if you're getting on it and your car decides to do this, it'll push down on the opposite side to leave your wheel planted. With this type of system that I just put on there, it's connected to your drive shaft. I keep saying drive shaft, I'm sorry. To your rear end. So it even tightens it up even more because it's not working off the sides, it's working in the center. So it advertises to almost take out all your body roll, which of course affects your ride. The one that I got is supposedly for street strip. They make just a strip one. But like I said, it's one of those situations where I drive my car on the street, so I want to make sure it still rides. So pretty basic stuff. I mean, if I'm going to go do road courses, probably won't do very good because it stiffens the rear end so much that, you know, it'll give you some, I don't know if it'll give you oversteer, understeer, however it is, it'll just feel weird. And you don't want to do it. So we'll go ahead and get back the camera in my hand and we'll see you in a second. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing with that. And like I said, I'll get into more videos with that particular part that I put on there. And the exhaust with the Resonator Delete, it is totally changed. I gave you a little tidbit of it idling at the beginning of the video, but that doesn't do it justice. I need to go ahead and put it on the back of the car and y'all will hear it. But like I said, just getting stuff ready for Mustang Week. Still got the clutch to do. I don't know if that's going to be put in before we go. I have one of my brakes is squeaking. I don't know which one it is. I want to say it's a driver's side. It tends to chirp as you're driving, and then you barely hit the brake and then it goes away and it comes back. So I'm going to try to get that hammered out before I go down there also, because that will drive me insane. And like I said, for people that want to buy this particular kit, I'll put it on the link below, the description of it. It's not a bad kit, but like I said, it does tighten everything. It does have adjustable end links, so you could sit there and I got it on the softest supposedly, and then they got two other adjustments for it, and then you can adjust the height of the car, so if it launches hard on one side, you can have that side raised a little more so it'll grab it and whatever. So like I said, it's not a bad deal, and like I said, I like the way it looks under the car. You know, it's pretty, but pretty isn't always perfect, so we'll see how it goes later on down the road, see if it's something I go back to. Because like I said, the main reason why I did it was to get rid of the noise, because it shortened off everything and wasn't in the middle, but that didn't fix that noise. So still got that problem to work out, so we'll figure that part out eventually. So give me 1 second and we'll close out this video. Oh, and there's some thunder, of course. Anyway, there is Minion, Shadow, and of course Pam's car, because we don't have a name for it. Let's do that. Let's name her car. Y'all give me suggestions. It is the Sterling Gray 14 color. It's a California special. Got Verdes on it. Help a brother out and let's find a name for her. Because like I said, she needs a name. And then Force Electra here with the Whipple charger in there. That's right. So anyway, we'll catch you on the next video. And like I said, we'll do more in depth with the suspension parts that I just put on there and the exhaust tone, and we'll get that on the next video. I'll try to do that. So we'll catch you on the next one. Remember, the best part of the videos are y'all. Comment below, let me know anything y'all want to do. Mustang Week's coming. I hope to see you there. Peace.